How to resurface countertops. Resurfacing an existing countertop is a simple way to update the look of your kitchen or bathroom without having to spend a great deal of money or time. Countertops that look damaged make the rest of the room look damaged as well. But, with a few tools, some hard work, and the following instructions, you can have a newly resurfaced Formica or tile countertop that makes you proud. Steps. 1. Remove old Formica by ironing it with a towel between the iron and the Formica and, once the glue under the Formica is heated enough to be soft, peeling it back and away from the surface. 2. Allow the glue to cool and remove it by applying an adhesive stripper and scraping away any excess material with a small paint scraper. Once the old glue is removed, sand the surface with a medium-grade 100,120 grit sandpaper until it is smooth and free of any debris. 3. Wipe the surface clean with a damp rag and allow it to air dry for a minute or two. 4. Apply a thin, even coat of contact cement to the entire surface with a rubber roller. 5. Lay the new countertop onto the newly glued surface, working from one end of the countertop towards the other end, pressing down on the material gently so that it adheres to the surface. 6. Allow it to dry overnight. 7. Roll across the surface of the newly placed countertop with a large rubber roller, pressing down firmly to eliminate any air pockets between the new countertop and the glued surface. 8. Finish your new Formica countertop by trimming the edges with a smooth file. 9. Resurface a tile countertop by chipping out the old tile and removing the old grout by sanding it from the surface with 80 grit sandpaper, followed by 100 to 120 grit sandpaper. 10. Apply a thick, even layer of grout to the entire surface with a small trowel. 11. Press the tiles into the grout until the grout forms a small ridge between the tiles. Once the tiles are in place, remove the excess grout from the tile with your trowel, and wipe the surface clean with a damp rag. Allow it to dry overnight. 12. Finish your new tile countertop by sanding the edges briefly to remove any excess grout. Tips. To clean the new Formica surface, try using nail polish remover followed by a scrub with a soft scrubbing cleanser. Customize your new Formica or tile countertop by adding polished or painted wooden edges. If you are resurfacing a tile countertop, try mixing a paint color into the tile grout or breaking up some of the tiles to form a mosaic. Warnings. Wear safety goggles or glasses to avoid injury to your eyes from debris. Always file away from your body and grip the file by its handle to avoid inadvertently cutting or filing your skin. Wear a respirator or a face mask to avoid inhaling dust or glue and solvent fumes. Things. Rag. Trowel or rubber rollers, one small, one large. Contact cement or tile grout. Small paint scraper. Electric screwdriver or drill with screw bits. Medium grade 100,120 grit sandpaper. Smooth file.